Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 22nd of May. Last week we went long the FTSE 100 and we did so at around current levels, actually. We did so at 7,775 on this daily financial bet. And short term, the FTSE 100 did actually rise to 7,806, but then it came off again, but remained above our stop loss level, which was just 1 point below the mid-May low at 7,678. So basically, we're seeing further sideways trading taking shape here. But provided we stay above 7,678, further upside is likely to be seen once we take out that recent high at 7,806. So I would just keep that trade on, and that is to go long the FTSE 100 with a stop loss at 7,678 and an upside target of around 7,975. So that was last week's trade of the week. But this week, what I would like to do is to go short WTI, that is to say the oil price. And the reason for this is that last week on Friday, we tried to reach our mid-May high at $73.82, but failed to do so. And we did so after having a positive breakout out of this Harami pattern here. You can see on the daily financial bet here, the Harami pattern, and basically broke out, didn't manage to close above it, and then actually fell below it. So for me, that is an indication that the oil price looks pretty weak short term. And what we could do this week is to go short at $71.90 with a stop and reverse order at $73.85, meaning that if we were to rise above $73.85, we would then actually go long and target an upside around the red line here, the 200-day simple moving average at $79.94. But the first trade is actually to go short, and just in case we're wrong, then to go long. So this week's trade of the week is to go short WTI at $71.90 with a stop and reverse order at $73.85 and a downside target of around $65.90.